Welcome to our video on keto-friendly foods. The ketogenic diet has gained popularity for its potential to promote weight loss and improve overall health. If you're following a ketogenic diet or considering it, it's important to know which foods are keto-friendly and can help you stay in ketosis. In this video, we will explore a variety of delicious foods that are low in carbs and high in healthy fats, making them ideal for a keto lifestyle. Let's dive in. 1. Healthy fats. Healthy fats are a crucial part of the ketogenic diet. Incorporate foods like avocados, coconut oil, olive oil, nuts, and seeds into your meals. These fats provide energy, help you feel satiated, and support ketosis. 2. Low-carb vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables are excellent choices for a keto diet as they are low in carbs and high in fiber. Include vegetables like spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and bell peppers in your meals. They provide essential nutrients while keeping your carb intake in check. 3. Meat and poultry. Meat and poultry are naturally low in carbs and high in protein, making them great options for a keto diet. Enjoy foods like beef, chicken, turkey, pork, and lamb. Opt for unprocessed, grass-fed, or organic options whenever possible. 4. Seafood. Seafood is not only rich in healthy fats but also low in carbs. Include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, which are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Other seafood options like shrimp, crab, and lobster can also be enjoyed on a keto diet. 5. Eggs. Eggs are versatile and nutritious, making them a staple in a keto diet. They are low in carbs and high in protein and healthy fats. Enjoy them boiled, scrambled, or in omelets to add variety to your meals. 6. Dairy products. Dairy products can be included in a keto diet, but it's important to choose full-fat and low-carb options. Opt for items like full-fat cheese, Greek yogurt, and butter. Be mindful of your individual tolerance for dairy and adjust accordingly. 7. Berries and avocado. While fruits are generally higher in carbs, berries like strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries are lower in sugar and can be enjoyed in moderation on a keto diet. Avocado is also a keto-friendly fruit that provides healthy fats and fiber. Conclusion. Following a keto diet can be delicious and satisfying when you focus on low-carb, high-fat foods. Incorporate healthy fats, low-carb vegetables, meat, poultry, seafood, eggs, and select dairy products into your meals. Don't forget to track your carb intake and adjust portions based on your specific needs and goals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more keto tips and recipes.